Knock, knock. Who's there? It's me, Greg. Welcome to my channel. So guys, we are reacting to the best moments in I'm back again. So in the last video, remember we watched the Cave of Demon Hunters. I'm reacting. Remember? So now I am gonna cook breakfast for Mama for Tita Langgeng because it's her birthday. And this is what it will look like. Okay, let's do it. So now we're gonna get ready. Okay, where's the pork? So we're gonna out of egg. We ran out of egg, and I'm gonna buy some. I'm gonna buy some eggs. So we're gonna have Mama Angie's party is a pool party, and we're gonna go. Okay, we will buy some eggs. So now I am here buying some eggs. Okay, let's go. So here's our egg. So I'm now gonna go back to the house. So it's near. So the store that we were at is super near in our house. It's our house. So it's time for us to make breakfast in bed for Mama Angge. For me to cook the egg. So this is gonna be Mama Angge's breakfast. The Kulay SMR. Cook. So see you later when I am done cooking. Bye guys. So firstly, I'm gonna put some seasoning. Okay, that's it. And a pinch of salt. Pinch only. Okay, enough. And see you soon. It's time for me to cook. Let's bring the food. Come. Okay, so you will turn on the light. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Breakfast. So special thanks to my fans. They are with us. They're with us watching. So this is Mama Angge's breakfast. So let's see the comparison. It looks very similar, right? Okay. So bye.